Hello everyone, and welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through setting up a local split-screen game of zombies in Call of Duty Black Ops 7. This process is straightforward, so let's jump right into it. To get started, we need to get both controllers connected and ready for action in the correct menu. First, launch the game from your main console dashboard and navigate your way through the main menu to select the dedicated Zombies game mode. Once you are fully loaded into the main Zombies lobby, go ahead and grab your second controller and make sure it is actively connected to your console. If it isn't syncing wirelessly, just plug it directly into the console using a USB-C cable to establish a firm connection. Next, press the main Home button on that second controller to turn it on and activate the split-screen prompt. This is the PlayStation button if you are on a PS5, or the glowing Xbox button if you are on an Xbox. Now that your console recognizes the second controller, we just need to log that player in. Look up at the top right corner of your screen, where you should now see a small text prompt indicating that a second player can join the party. Simply have your friend press the X button on their PlayStation controller or the A button on their Xbox controller to officially sign in and lock their profile into the game. If this happens to be their very first time playing Call of Duty, you might see a few user agreements pop up. Just use their controller to hit accept on all of those screens until you see their name pop up right next to yours in the lobby. Though it is much faster if they sign into an account that has already played Call of Duty before. You are both officially in the lobby together, so let's get your specific match settings dialed in so you can start surviving. Go ahead and use Player 1's controller to navigate over and click on Select Match to bring up your list of game options. Next, choose the standard Zombies experience, make sure you are set to Play in a Squad, and then pick whichever map you both want to try and survive on. And that's it. You now know how to set up and play Zombies split screen on Call of Duty Black Ops 7. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and take care.